Hi everyone, Annie J here, and I'm back with a 15-piece thredUP mixed shoe box. Now this box was from Pennsylvania. It cost $80 with shipping and everything together. It was $96. So it's going to come out to about $6.40 a pair. Been a while since I've gotten one of these boxes, and now see that they have the designer boxes. So I don't know. Are they still worth getting? We'll see. Okay, I already did away with the tape just to make things quicker. And let's see what we got. Okay, so the first pair is a pair of Dr. Scholl's. And these are a size 8.5 medium. They appear to be, oh, wrong shoe. They appear to be in, nope, wrong shoe again. Sorry guys, it's been a while. Pretty good shape. A little bit of mark on that. But anyway, we're gonna go through this quickly. I know our time is very valuable. Okay, we have a pair of Asics. And these appear to be almost brand new looking. But they're very small. So are these kids or just a small size? That doesn't have a size. It came out 2022, but anyway, not going to waste time trying to find a size. They're either kids or a very small women's. Okay, pair, let's go ahead and get these silver shoes out of the way. They're very glittery. They are Sperry's. And I'm assuming these are women's, not sure. Yep, women's size 11, medium. Interesting shoe. Okay, the next pair, Soda, which I think you can get these at Walmart or Target, not sure. Okay, now these are in good condition. Okay, so far not that great. Now, this is a pair of the Flats. Okay, I've never heard of those, but they look like very well-made shoes. I like the color blue. They look comfortable. Size 10. I'll have to look that brand up. Don't know much about it. Next, okay, now these aren't that bad. They are Born Suede. I like those. Now those should sell pretty well. Leather upper, size 10 medium. Okay, happy with those. Okay, let's see. Another brand I'm not too sure about. La Amor des Pieds. Pieds. Now they look nicely made. It's kind of a suede upper here. They are dirty on the bottoms, and on the inside they're dirty, but they're interesting shoes. I'll have to look that brand up, don't know. It's a good way to find new brands back in these boxes. Okay, next we have a sandal Jack Rogers. Now these used to resell pretty good. I'm not sure how they do now, but they're a little worn, but not bad. And these, let's see what size these are. Size 8.5. A little bit of the glue, but we can get that off. Not bad. Okay. Let's see what these are. I think I know, but let's take a look. Yep, Allbirds. I knew from the wool. Now these used to sell really good too, but I haven't sold a pair lately, but I also don't have any in my closet. but I'll have to look at comps and see if they still reselling pretty good. It's blue. Let's see what size they are. Size women's 9. And they do have like, oh, I don't know if that's the wool or cat hair, but I can clean those up. Not in great condition, but not in bad condition. Okay, let's see. Pair of booties. Get these in every box. Vince Camuto. In good shape. Let's see what size these are. Let's, oh, there it goes right there. Size 7 medium. Okay. Pair of Tommy Hilfigers. Size 8.5. They look pretty good shape. They got a little dirt on the inside. I can clean that up. They got the logo here, the stripes here. Good condition, but just not great resale value. Here is my receipt. Oh, how cute! These are so cute. Pair of Anne Kleins, little bows with some little gold balls on there. And these are Anne Klein flats. They're pretty. I like those. What size are they? A 6.5, kind of a small size. Appears to be in really good shape though. Okay. So kind of just getting bread and butter so far. Oh, okay. I've got to go ahead and get these. I've been looking at them, and these are some wild shoes, guys. Wild shoes. How do you pronounce that? Okay, look. It's got spider. No, not spider. Bats. And these are demonia. They're kind of a grudge type shoe. So I think these will do really good. Not sure the resale value. I'll have to look it up. These are really cool. Kind of that grudge look. Or grudge. How do you say it? Grudge? Grunge. Grunge look. That's it. Platforms. And what size are these? Let's see. They're the Emily 100. Women's size 8. I think these might be the best ones in the box, depending on the resale value, but I think they will sell really quick. Okay, 2 pairs left. Doesn't look too promising. Just a pair of Nikes. And they do not have the inside. So I'll probably just donate these. They look pretty worn. But that's that. Okay, and the last pair is a pair of Deckers X-Lab. And then it's a number on the side. Never heard of those. Have you guys ever heard of that before? I'll have to research those. They do show some wear, but looks like there's still some wear left in them. But once again, they look to be a small size. I have a hard time selling small size shoes, and if I do sell them, I usually have to let them go pretty cheap. But if I can just make my money back off the pair, that's fine with me. But anyway, so not to impress. I think the best shoes are going to be those grunge looking shoes, and then the Born shoes are probably my 2 best pair out of the whole box. I don't know, I might break even. I don't think I'm going to make a lot off with this box, but that's kind of how it goes with thredUP. Some are great and some are not so great. Not my worst spots, by no means. Trust me, by no means. But not the best spots either. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I promise to put out more videos. I do have a fun deliver box coming up. I haven't gotten it yet, but when that comes, I will be unboxing that, and that will be my first I have enjoyed watching other people's videos of the fun delivered. They look very much, very, very fun. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, bye.